What happens if you're charged with OUI after an accident? I'm Michael DelSignore, Massachusetts OUI Lawyer. In today's video, I'm going to answer that question for you. If you're involved in an accident, whether it's a multi-car accident or one-car accident, these cases can be winnable at court. In many cases, there'll be very little evidence that show you were under the influence of alcohol. The officer will arrive at the scene, and often there'll be observations such as bloodshot, glassy eyes, slurred speech. But typically you'll be brought to the hospital, so there won't be any field sobriety tests. What happens then is that in court we'll have some legal battles over one, whether they can get your medical records, and two, whether they come into evidence. You also have some interesting legal issues that also come up when there's an accident. You should receive a citation right at the hospital. If you don't, that's good. You might receive the citation in the mail, but if there's a delay in getting the citation, that can result in dismissal of the case. So once you get the citation, it's going to be a ticket. It'll say OUI, it might say Mark Lane violation. You want to save the envelope and document when you received it. Once you get that ticket, you want to send it to the court, so you get what's called a clerk magistrate hearing. That's a hearing where we can attempt to prevent the charges from being issued, arguing that there's no probable cause. And likely we would suggest to the magistrate that this is really an accident, if anything, issued on negligent operation or maybe just some civil infractions. Often though, the court will issue a complaint when there's an accident, and some signs, even if they're minimal, of you being under the influence of alcohol. But it's still worth sending the notice in to get a clerk magistrate hearing. For example, if you're in the Waltham District Court, the officer will actually testify live at this magistrate hearing, so you'll get some additional information and it's a chance to preview the government's case. The second issue I want you to be aware of once you're in an accident is you might receive a notice from the registry suspending your license for an immediate threat. If you receive this notice, you can appeal the suspension and get your license back prior to the case ending. You have to go, one, to the registry, and second, you have to go to the Board of Appeals. So if you have any questions about how to handle and fight an OUI case when you're involved in an accident, or how to get your license back, feel free to call me. My name is Michael DelSignore. I answer these questions every day.